Dankie Jesus dat U vir Luan gesond maak. Dankie
I've seen sickness bow,
sy lewe
I've seen hearts come back from death.
hy so
When the world said it's over
mooi
now, you whispered,
en spesiaal
I'm
is.
not finished yet.
Ons
Your
bid
hands still reach the hurting. Your voice still calms the waves. You move through every broken thing and bring beauty from the grave. You still heal, you still save, you still move the stone away. You still breathe on lifeless things and make the valleys sing again. You still heal, I still believe. Every scar bows to your name. Yesterday, today, forever. Jesus, you still heal. I felt your mercy through my tears. I've known your power in my fears. When my faith was hanging by a thread, you held on when I let go instead. Your love rewrites my story. Your blood still makes me new. There's no sickness, sin, or sorrow that your presence can undo. You still heal, you still save, you still move the stone away. You still breathe on lifeless things and make the valleys sing again. You still heal, I still believe. Every scar bows to your name. Yesterday, today, forever. Jesus, you still hear. The blind will see, the lame will dance, the broken hearts will beat again. The hopeless rise, the captives free.
Good morning, everyone. So we have a privilege to just testify this morning about the Lord's goodness and healing in Luan's life. So Luan was born with a cleft palate and lip, as you've seen. But yeah, it was a long road that we had to walk with him. And when he turned 5 months old, he had his first surgery where they actually closed his lip and the palate. And I think most people saw the lip. They never saw, you know, the bigger picture that was in his mouth. But since he was very small, his brother always prayed for him, and he's the one that actually stirred our faith, because he always said that, you know, the Lord can heal him. So just to make, it's actually a very long story, but he had to go for his follow-ups every year, and we went to the doctor on Tuesday, because for the past 2 years he went to a facial engineer that had to actually prepare his mouth for a big surgery that he has to get this year. So the surgery would be, they will take bone from his hip and then put it in his mouth. So it's quite a big surgery that he has to go through. And we had to prepare him, you know, for years that this is something that he's going to have to go through. And we know this is part of his story. And when we got there on Tuesday, we went into the rooms and the doctor started, she didn't even look at him, she started and she said, okay, Luan, so now it's here, you know, we're going to have to do the surgery in June. She said to him how many days he'll be in ICU, how it's going to work. And while we were actually busy preparing the forms, she said to him, just sit on the chair. So then she's got all the stuff that she puts in his mouth, and she looks at everything, and she went out of the room and she asked the professor to come in. So while they were actually, he checked his mouth as well, and you can actually see it in the one photo, they were both shocked. So they noticed that the bone is in his mouth. So we went there last year November, so we saw the scans, of course, and we had to wait for him to be 8.5 years old. So I think we were all very shocked, and we shouldn't have been, because we trusted the Lord for this. But this is just something that we wanted to share, because now he doesn't have to go for the surgery, and this would have been a very big surgery. And if you look at the scans, you can see the gap that he had to go, the surgery that he has to have. So we just want to give the Lord all the glory and all the, I don't think we'll ever be able to say thank you enough, but also it stirred our hearts, but of course our kids' faith, because Sian has been praying for his brother since he was so small and little. So that's what I want to leave you guys with, is like, what is impossible with God? It's nothing. Nothing is impossible with God if we trust him and we believe that he can heal and he can do anything that we need. Thank you.